bring your dog here so that they can play around, because it's a big area. There's the playground, as you can see. See that? It's a nice one. So we're going this way. Where have you been?
I've been geocaching in them woods back there.
And what is geocache means?
Putting our first geocache travel bug out to start traveling the world. Geocache is a worldwide hide and seek game. It's a lot of fun. And we found over 80 of them so far.
It's 88 already.
88 already.
Yeah.
And now, I'm going to that blue truck over there.
So are we done for today?
Maybe not. We better go find some more geocaches since we're here.
That's right.
We're going to find more. So for now, bye-bye, because we're on our way to get another geocache. We're by this old well pump out here in the middle of the woods that we found.
In the middle of nowhere?
Yeah. It hasn't run for a long time. They took the electric motor off of it, and all that's left is the gearbox, the weights, and the pump. There's the jack over there. That's where the thing goes up and down.
So,
yeah.
And back over here
Over here is the storage tank.
There, the what you call that?
Storage tank.
Storage tank.
Yeah. And over here is a big deep hole of some sort.
Oh goodness, where are we now?
Okay.
Yeah, there's a big something there.
These are all the drill pipes. Look at there. For drilling for the well.
Okay.
You see them?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're here in the woods, roaming around. This is our thing if my husband doesn't have work. He wants to do this, so I guess I'm going to do it also. And even it's so tiring, but we really enjoy. So now we're going to get our fourth catch for today. Hopefully we can find another one so that it will make us 90 geocache all in all. Right, baby?
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Running 80.
We are going to eat ice cream. We're going to find a space to
Look, I
park.
can pull in there and then drive through.
Okay. It's our cheat day today.
Yeah, we're going to Rita's.
We
Our
are-
special yogurt ice cream place.
After our geocache,
That's right.
we're
having
going
a
to eat
cheat
ice
day.
cream. Cheat day.
Yes, yogurt. It's
Yo-
good for you. It's healthy. Fat and non-fattening. Maybe a little bit of fat.
It's
Not
yummy.
much. We're gonna share one.
No, one for you, one for me.
That's right.
Right? Rita's ice custard happiness ice cream.
Are we being recorded now?
Yeah. This is
Okay.
our favorite.
Yes, Rita's yogurt. Custard. This is custard, not yogurt. Custard.
Yeah, orange flavor.
Orange cream.
It's so yummy. I'm just happy today because
We would drive an hour just to get this ice cream. Delicious.
it's our rain day banding.
And next we're going right outside of Waynesburg to our friend's barbecued rib place. Best ribs around. Delicious.
Yeah, it's yummy also. So now it's my day off actually. I don't need to cook.
That's there. I'll move that out of the way.
I don't need to cook, so
That's right. We're sitting here in the truck eating.
it's our banding
That's right.
after our geocache. Now
Yeah, and it's our cheat day because that's why we're having
Yeah.
Custard, not yogurt.
We decided not to eat any more ice cream, but sometimes.
But this is technically not ice cream. It is custard.
So it's okay.
Yeah.
It's so yummy.
Yeah.
Right, baby?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
next time we're heading home and we're going to drop by to our friend to buy some ribs for our dinner.
Yeah. Barbecued smoked ribs.
Here we are. Hopefully it's open. Is it open?
He's open. The sign's on. It says open.
Oh, that's good. Welcome to our channel, Wandering World, and we are now going back home because I think we're done for our today's geocache. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.